We are building 2 huge new terminals.
From my present location, HQ departing service.
Please make your immediate way to gate number 229. 229 as you're running board.
Clara gave me like a whole talk. It was like just me and Lila and Clara hanging out.
Good morning. You used to be on the 190.
I was just thinking about that while I was going to walk around. I think we have like a monster. Yeah, that came back.
Okay, I'm gonna try that one.
Please, that'd be wonderful. Thanks so much. One more jacket for you.
Fantastic First Officer Leo is actually doing the flying today out to LA, and normally the person flying the airplane will say hi, but I have to deliver a slight bit of bad news, and well, as a captain, that's my job. Probably about a 15-minute delay leaving the gate here as we finished our maintenance review of the logbook. The aircraft had some preventative normal maintenance done overnight last night, but there was a signature that wasn't properly recorded to document that, and airplanes fly on fuel money and paperwork, so that paperwork's getting taken care of right now. I anticipate about a 15-minute delay to take care of that, and I sincerely apologize. It's just one of those things that we double and triple check, and in the triple check process, it hadn't been properly documented. So our wonderful maintenance staff is taking care of that right now, and then we're going to close the doors and get you underway. The good news is the flight's fairly short, actually only 5 hours and 12 minutes once airborne, and you have 4 of JFK's absolute finest taking care of you back here in the cabin. Again, my apologies for the delay. We certainly appreciate your patience. If for any reason this extends beyond 15 minutes, we'll give you an update, but I don't anticipate that at that point. Welcome aboard, and thank you so much for choosing JetBlue.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign, and once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, if you need to use the restroom, please wait at your seat until one is available. Please use the restroom in your area of the aircraft. Those seated in mid may use the restrooms in the front of the plane, while other customers may use the restrooms located in the middle or the back of the aircraft. As a reminder, all flights are non-smoking, including vaping and the use of electronic cigarettes. We want to give an extra thanks to our TrueBlue members, and especially our Mosaics and JetBlue card members. And if you don't already have the JetBlue card, keep an ear out for a special onboard offer later in the flight. For those customers who are seated in an even more seat, we'll be coming through shortly with a treat to welcome you on board. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and stretch out. You've got the most legroom in coach. Thanks again for flying with us today.
Don't even scroll.
We're just about 30 miles from Palm Springs, which means 120 miles from Los Angeles, starting our descent in the next 5 minutes. LA basin weather, the morning fog layer was pretty persistent. It took all the way till about noon to start burning off, and there's still some scattered clouds, a little bit of a smoke and haze layer. Temperature this hour being reported to us is 62 degrees. Our flight today is actually parking in a mid-field satellite concourse that's associated with the Tom Brady terminal. There is bus service to the JetBlue terminal for baggage claim collection, but you'll need to get luggage carousel information from the ground agencies. That's not shared with us when we park in the midfield terminal. So again, midfield terminal, you can choose to take a bus to the JetBlue terminal, or if you have only carry-on luggage, there are walkways that can take you all the way to the exit. It's been a pleasure to serve you today, and we sincerely appreciate you choosing JetBlue. I'm anticipating landing in just over 25 minutes. Should have you through the gate a few minutes early. Happy holidays, and thanks again for joining us.
Seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign, and be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. Checked bags will be available at the carousel. We'll let you know that carousel number once the door is open. And if you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated as we've arrived at the gate so that we may better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We hope that you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this New York and Boston-based crew, thanks again for choosing us. And for those of you from the Los Angeles area, we'd like to be the first to say welcome home. We wish you a happy holiday season.